Hi friends, warm welcome again all my dear friends. This is our secretarial practice last lecture. Chapter 3, Formation of a Company. Myself, Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav from BYK College of Commerce, Nasik. So yes, all of you watch all the videos. Yes, you have seen the last video. What I taught you? Yes, I taught you formation of a company's two stages. First one, formation of companies. First stage is, yes, anybody tell me? Promotion stage. Good. And in the last video, what I taught you? Incorporation of a company. Yes, very good. And in the incorporation of a company, how many stages? Total 11 stages. I have taught you. I have completed. Yes. Anybody remember? First one, DSC. Yes, very good. What's the meaning of DSC? So that means obtain digital signature. Yes, this is the first stage of incorporation. Good. And what's the second? Register DSC in the name of directors with MCA. And third one, obtain director identification number. So that means the DRN. Then fourth stage is the apply for reservation of name. Finalize memorandum of association and article of association. Okay, good. And then next one, sign, stamping and dating of MOA and AOA. Then after prepare necessary documents. Then after deciding address for communication. And then obtain a statutory declaration. Then filling of application and documents for incorporation with ROC means Register of Company. And what's the last stage? Obtaining, we got it the certificate of incorporation. Okay, so that means all of you understood two stages. Yes, I told you three important stages when we start format our company. Yes, first one promotion, second incorporation, and third one commencement of a business. So now I start third stage of formation of a company. Okay, commencement of business, it is a third stage. But remember, if public या private company is not having a share capital, so they cannot get the commencement of business. So that means after getting incorporation certificate, they can start our business. Which company? Public and private company. But if they have not having a share capital. Okay, remember. But public and private companies having a share capital. So, in which are incorporated after 2nd November 2018. So, that means in which companies has incorporated after 2nd November 2018, they can get the obtain a certificate of a commencement of business from the ROC means Register of Companies before it can commence of its business. If you have not got that certificate, they cannot be start their business activities. Remember. Okay. So this is the steps when get the commencement of business certificate. So that means follow these fourth stages. Then after company get the commencement of business certificate. Okay. So first stage is first one filling of declaration by director. Second one file verification of register office. Then third one obtain license or approval from sectoral regulator. Okay, and then last one, commencement of business. Okay, so we see one by one. Okay, first one, filling of declaration by director. So director of the company has to fill with ROC a declaration form in the prescribed form along with fees. Okay, and also given the declaration verified by the who is appointed as a company secretary in a practice or a chartered account or a cost account in practice. So that means these persons also given the contents of declaration form and filled to the ROCs. The declaration should be filled within 180 days from date of incorporation, and that means after getting incorporation certificate, declaration should be filled how many days? 180 days, within a 180 days. Okay, so that means within a 6 months. So that means director give us declaration within a 180 days, within a 66 months from the getter when the get the incorporation certificate. Next stage is the file verification of registered office. Company has to also file a verification of its registered office. So that means this is also the important, fill up the register office, file verification of his register office with the ROC, register of a corporation company. So that means first stage is filling the declaration, then second one given the registration office address, fill the verification, and then after also directors can approve, can take the license of the sectoral regulator. Sectoral regulator means this is the appointed by government to regulate a particular sector. So that means, for example, SEBI. SEBI means the Stock Exchange Board of India. So director also taken the approval of that the SEBIs. So certain companies which propose to conduct banking business, insurance business, or propose to be listed on stock exchanges also, and also require this one. That means the regulator like Reserve Bank of India, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Okay, SEBIs. So such companies must submit to ROC, means Register of Company, the approval obtained from the sectoral regulator. So that means this is very important stage when company get the commencement of business certificates. So before submit to ROC, the approval a license from the sectoral regulator. For example, taken the SEBI's permission first, taken the approval of that SEBI. Okay, this is the last stage of commencement of business. After filling declaration in prescribed form, the ROC then shall issue the certificate of commencement of business. So that means company can start now our business activity when get this certificate. Commencement of business means व्यवसाय प्रारंभ certificate. Okay. Public and private companies having share capital can now start its business or start collecting or borrowing money and to undertake its business activities. A public company issue prospectus to the public. So when get the commencement of certificate, so the public company issue the prospectus. Prospectus means this is the advertisement. This is the advertisement given to the public and purchase the shares of that company. So that means prospectus means it is an invitation, remember, to the public to buy the shares of a company. Okay. So I have completed now 4 stages. Commencement of business, this is the last stage. So now company can start our business. Company can start our business activities. Okay. So when start the business? So how many stages is important? It is not easy, no? All of you understood. How many important stages? 3 stages I taught you. Okay. So each and every stage is important. When gave the incorporation certificate, that means registration certificate, yeah, commencement of business certificates. Means Nondani and business start. Both are the certificate is important. Okay. Just like again I explain you, this is the certificate of incorporation. These certificates also the very important. This is the format specimen of a certificate of incorporation. Here it is write down or I hereby certificate that is incorporate on this date. Then here it is write down here. And these all is the government of India certificate, remember. So that means it is very important. This is the legal documents and this is the birth certificate of our company. Okay. This is the just like a example of a business commencement certificate. This is the example of a certificate of incorporation and this is the certificate of commencement of a business. This is just example the I mean okay. This is the for example. Next. Okay. So all of you understood. In this lecture I taught you third stage when company formation of a company's 3 stages I have completed. Yes, first one promotion stage, first stage, then second incorporation stage. In the incorporation again I explain you 11 sub stages and the formation of the company's last stage is the commencement of a business. So all of you understood? Any doubt? Yes? Okay, good. All of you understood now? If any doubt, then after you tell me, you call me. And listen. Each and every chapters PPT videos, all of you watch every day. If you are seeing each and every PPT videos, if any doubt, then after you call me. But I again, all of you told you last in that time also I told you assignment you feel write down all the assignments also each and every chapters in a separate book in our SP's book. Then after we will check. Okay. Yes. Good. Have a nice day. Thank you. You watching my videos. You listening carefully. Good. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the best and take care. Okay. Good.